Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Everyday Japan. In Japanese it's my name is Japan. Okay, in today's video we'll be learning hiragana, and before starting the lesson let me tell you that you can find the reference that we are using for today's lesson will be linked in the description below. You can download it as a PDF or you can download it as a JPEG file, and I hope it would be very helpful to you guys. So with that said, let me get inside the lesson now. Okay, the first thing we need to know is that the Japanese language, it has got different scripts, mainly hiragana, katakana and kanji. Today we'll be discussing hiragana in short, while we'll be discussing it in detail in our other videos. You can find that in the playlist of this channel. And katakana and kanji, we will be discussing that in our coming future. Okay, so let's get inside the hiragana now. A, I, U, E, O, Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko, Sa, Si, Su, Se, So, Ta, Chi, Tsu, Te, To, Na, Ni, Nu, Ne, No, Ha, Hi, Fu, He, Ho, Ma, Mi, Mu, Me, Mo, Ya, Yu, Yo, Ra, Ri, Ru, Re, Ro, Wa, Wo, Okay, that's the basic thing that we learn of hiragana today. There is much more of hiragana left, as you can see in the video. So those topics I have discussed that in detail in my other videos. You can find that in the playlist of my channel. I have made a well-defined playlist. You can get it from there, and hope to see you very soon, and have a nice time. Bye.